YouTube ideas that always work for beginners. I've got my little notes right here. So, if you're not sure what to post, here are the 5 ideas that are always going to work for beginners. So, take a piece of paper and a pen and write them down. They're going to be helpful. So, the idea number 1 is tutorials. So, teach something you know to your audience. Again, it's always the same principle. It's part of your what you experienced in life, whatever you know, whatever you studied. It's like experience what you know, teach it. A lot of people would be grateful to know what you know. And so I do believe that everybody has something to teach to someone. You don't need to be an expert. You need to just be one step ahead in whatever you're doing to be able to teach. Idea number 2 is list style content. So five tips for example. So that's like what I'm doing right now actually. Um, 5 ideas for beginners that are always working on YouTube for posting videos. That's what I'm doing. So list style. So you put a list down and talk about it. So that is great because it's usually straight to the point. People like that. They don't have a lot of time. They want to know the information right away. So very, very useful for people. Idea number 3 is reaction or commentary. So you're gonna let's say you see a video on another platform or on YouTube, or it could be on TV, whatever it is, an article on in the newspaper, in a magazine, and you want to comment about it. You just want to comment about the video or the article and give your opinion. And that's all it is. So you could have a video like in the background, you put a green screen, have the video like in the background, and pause it and talk about it and say, hey, like, yeah, what do you think about that? Or this is what I think about this. Or you just can like announce the whatever video is going to show and have the video show, and that's it, and then ask for your audience about their opinion while still giving your opinion as well, because don't forget one thing: people love to give their opinions about things, but they kind of like want to not fight, but they like to have a controversial type of mindset. They always want to go against someone else and debate. That's what we like to do in life. We like to debate about things. So, yeah, think about that. That's super easy to do because I'm sure you're watching a lot of videos on social media. So, why not, create an interesting video for your YouTube channel? People love that. Idea number 4, behind the scenes or personal journey. So, behind the scenes of, let's say you're a trader, you're trading the stock market, and behind the scenes of your life, your journey in that. So, like, how did you get there? What are you doing? What's your routine? It's almost like a vlog in a way. It's just like you're showing a little bit more of how you prep for the day, or let's say you're an athlete, behind the scene of your prep. How do you do? What do you do? Like, people love to see that. They like to see how you get a result. They want to see how they can get there too. So the behind the scene is that. How do you prep for whatever you're doing? Could be anything, anything at all. You're going to travel, behind the scenes, whatever it is. So that's a fun type of video. And idea number 5 is reviews of gear, apps, tools you use, software, whatever it is. So you're probably like using tools or apps. Maybe you have, I don't know, Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever, and you want to give your review. You have a camera, a brand new camera, the new iPhone that's gonna come out, or and you want to compare things. You can give your reviews. Like comparing products. We love to have the opinion of someone else about something we intend to buy, to purchase. We want to know what it's all about. So even if you have nothing good or bad to say necessarily, just showing what the products is. Let's say you have digital products that everybody wants to buy, those digital marketing courses. There are so many online. Maybe you can show how it looks like inside the port, inside the course, how it looks like. Maybe some people, they are gonna buy it because of that, or they're not gonna buy it because of that. And if you're smart too, you can have an affiliate link and sell that product, whatever it is, even if it's a review about a camera, a microphone here, um, sunglasses, some clothes you're wearing, whatever it is. You can just give a review and have a link in your description, and if people are interested in your product, they might want to buy it. But your goal number one in that case wouldn't be to sell that product. It would be just to give a piece of information that's useful to your audience, and they will go from there. So you review something, app, tools, software, gear, whatever you have, shoes. Let's say you like to go hiking, you're wearing some shoes that are very comfortable, and you want to talk about that. You can talk about that. It could be really anything and everything. Could be a tripod. I'm using a tripod right now. I could talk about it because everybody is using the same tripod too. So yeah, so pretty much pick one of these, and start to upload videos. Create a video, it shouldn't take long, and publish it. Don't overthink that at all. It doesn't have to be complicated. Again, it's your opinion, and nobody can say anything about your opinion. It's your opinion, and you are yourself, and you can decide to think whatever you want about anything. So just be yourself and tell your opinion about anything, about whatever you want to talk about. I hope that was useful, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.